Running a construction company is not an easy job. I get reminded of it every day. You have to be ready for unexpected situations and problems to be solved. This is my daily challenge. My name is Silvester Navara and I work as the construction worker for all of my life. I came to the Netherlands in 2007 with skills learned over the years and hence ready to work. I wanted to establish my future in this country. My path was not always easy, but it only made me stronger and more focused on my goals. Today, I successfully run my own businesses in the Netherlands. Work is hard, but I like it. Nowadays, my company prepares and executes many renovation projects across the Netherlands. Sales of our products are growing. High quality standards are my standards. I cooperate with several people and firms, including my brother, who supports me on a daily basis. Family and its happiness is the ultimate goal for me. I want to create something that can help and benefit my little daughter. One day, maybe she can follow my footsteps and run her own business and be happy with her family as I am today. I'm looking forward to see it.